Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to sign in. First, check that you have your Google account email and password and a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Open the Play Store app now. If it prompts for an account immediately, tap Add Account. You may be asked to confirm device security. Enter your lock, PIN, or fingerprint. Once done, the app will present the Google account chooser. Select the account you want, or choose Create Account to set up a new one. After selecting an account, you might need to verify identity. Enter a code from Text, Authenticator, or approve the prompt on another device. Make sure to read and accept Play Store terms and any payment setup prompts. You can skip adding a payment method if not needed. Then grant required permissions for syncing contacts and apps. Once the account sync finishes, the Play Store will load personalized content. Make sure your account name appears. You're almost done. Open Play Store settings and confirm the signed-in account is listed, and check sync in device settings for Google. If sign-in fails, clear Play Store cache and data, then restart the device and try again. Updating the Play Store app often resolves glitches. If you can't sign in because of a forgotten password, use Google's account recovery to reset it, then repeat sign-in steps. One key tip: always keep your recovery phone or email current to avoid lockouts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.